Staat de digit aan. Oh, vet.
We are ready to go. Finally! Finally! It's happened. Load!
Fill me up before you go.
Hey Frank,
What's up?
we're on the boat.
We're on the boat. Time to catch up on some sleep, which we might not have later on. But the good thing is, we started being surrounded by the rally. We are sort of already inside the whole, rally ecosystem.
Yeah,
While
it's very nice to see other people from the Tunisian Desert Challenge and the warm welcome we had. So it was already pretty awesome. Let's turn off the lights and make music.
we just arrived in Tunis. You ask for it, you name it, I will fix it. Salad?
Yeah.
We have arrived. This is gonna be our life for the next
For
5 days.
Yeah.
Upsasa. We made it.
All the way down in Djerba. So that means that you brought a car from Iceland all the way to Afrika, in Tunisia, and drove down to Djerba.
That was a nice ride.
Nice ride.
Damn. It's a bit of a challenge because the car is in a complete different climate. We've done quite some kilometers now, so we started seeing if the car, is capable of doing certain things. Which there was
And-
one, yeah,
It got hot.
it got hot. That was-
Fuego. Fuego hot.
Fuego.
There is a party going on. And what are we doing, Frank?
Fixing the car.
Fixing the car. And there is a party in the hotel on the parking lot. But the fan is running. The fan is running. So we have cooling. And it could be that it was just like programmed for Icelandic conditions, so the fan doesn't have to run all the time.
Or there might be something wrong
With it.
in the ECU, because the fan does work but doesn't get triggered, and the safety fan does kick in, but that's way too late.
So we now rewired the thing, so we have cool fans blowing all day long if we want to.
Full on max
Full on
all the
max.
way. Doesn't really matter, we're in the desert.
And now it's just the temperature is right on point, it stays stable.
Exactly.
So that's what we want, right?
Yep. As you can see, there's a bit of mud on the car because we just took it for a little spin on the test track. in the
learned
car.
already some things, right?
Yeah,
We learned
exactly.
already that how it slides, how it understeers, how it oversteers. So that's really like a reality check on where are the limits of that car. So
It's a bit of a, in Dutch we would say lomp car. It's a bit of a
top heavy,
in Dutch we have a word for it, lomp. I don't know what the English word is.
top heavy.
Yeah. So this is the bivak. This is a pretty awesome campsite.
It's almost full.
I think everyone arrived
Okay.
because everyone passed technical inspection. So did we, without any trouble. Awesome.
Awesome. So we can finally say out loud that we're gonna officially drive and race in the Tunisian Desert Challenge.
Exactly. Tomorrow, starting with a prologue, a little warm-up tour. It's gonna be nice.
You already got sand on your pants.
I already got sand. I'm gonna have to get used to the sand on my pants. So we got the number on the car. That's very important. We got the GPS tracker with the emergency button and locator for the organization to find us in case we're in trouble. And we have a road book, a digital road book, which is very exciting. So we're gonna get a little course on that tomorrow, and then we're gonna have to navigate our way through the desert.
Yeah.
So it's not only a challenge to drive the desert, the other challenge is to navigate the desert.
Navigate through the desert. I'm pretty stoked. Come on. We're
Yeah, I
waiting.
can't wait.
Let's go.
We've been staying in these all-in hotels for the last 5 days. I'm pretty sick of the buffet.
Let's go, man.
Let's go
Let's
drive
go.
it.
Let's go.
Let's go drive it. Let's get the fuck out of here.
You can walk. I'll go with